Getting started using Adobe Illustrator CS4. Let's begin by opening Adobe Illustrator CS4. On a PC, click Windows, Start, choose Programs, Adobe, then Adobe Illustrator CS4. Or click on the Illustrator shortcut created on the desktop. On a Mac PC, click Macintosh HD, then Application, then Adobe Illustrator CR6. Or click the Illustrator icon in the dock